Hey guys, welcome to Angela's Hangout. So today I'm participating in part 3 of our Hocus Pocus challenge. So basically this is where we put everything together. So we have our DIYs, we have our snacks, and this one is for our tablescape. So here is my brand new table. I am so excited. I just got this from Wayfair. Hi Bella. And so anyway, just waiting for my chairs to come in so I can give you like a full account of everything that's going on. And please excuse my bar cart because it is like it's still transitioning. But so I just got those little plates from Target and the rest is all from Ross. So here is, well, the second part of my DIY. I just made this little witch's calderon. Here are my little treats. I made these delicious cupcakes. Oh my goodness, they were so good. And they were quite a hit. Took some over to my nieces and my cousins and everything like that, so they all enjoyed it. Here is my witch's brew. It's just a little purple drink that it's basically just grapefruit with not grapefruit, I'm sorry, grape juice with some, what did I put in there? Sprite. So that's it. And that's what I did in the corner over there with my little bats, just to kind of keep in theme with Halloween. So let me turn off the lights real quick so you can see how it looks all lit up. Kind of lit up because it's still daylight right now. But yeah, let me show you how it looks. Anyway, it's very, very cute. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so here it is. This is everything all together. Thank you so much, Crafty Kitty, for hosting this collaboration. I had so much fun doing this. I thought it was ingenious that you did a 3-parter. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would really, really like that. And of course, share and like if you liked what you saw. I would certainly appreciate that as well. So anyway, thank you again, Crafty Kitty. I'll have a playlist as soon as it's available, and don't forget to watch everybody else's creativity. I'm so excited about this. Thank you so much now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.